Through the garden today. More like a planning walk. So to kind of plan out like the landscaping. So I think I've decided how I want this landscaped. Imagine this tree is going to be gone. So when that tree is gone, we're going to have a back porch that comes out from here all the way to like here, and then down, and then from this corner down. So I think the flower bed that I want to do here, which I'm going to do a rock flower bed. I don't really know the edge shapes, but I'm thinking maybe if I did it squared and go up like that, it'll kind of be like a big U. I'm going to build something to go over this. And then, you know, the light. And then this will all be a grassy area. We can really work at getting it nice once this tree's gone. Then I'm going to have like roses or some kind of, probably a shade-loving flower go up in here. And then some pretty bushes here and here that don't get too tall. And then some nice perennials around here. And then, like I said, all this area be a nice grassy area. And then into over here. So anyway, I don't know if I want this to be like hard edges or like a rounded. Hard edges might be easier to mow, but then maybe not. I don't know. So with this, excuse the chickens. Once we get this back done, I'm gonna put shelving. She's not wanting to doing a video easy for me today. They're not making it easy. Anyway, I'm gonna have shelving right here so I can hang baskets and
eventually.
Oh. Had to take a break. Chickens were yelling. Now the cat's yelling. I think a kid's about to come out. So anyway, I'm gonna have shelves here to make, you know, all of the access to my garden stuff easier. And then we're going to redo this little paved area. Probably make these pavers go all the way out to here and kind of blend in, kind of cut off right here. And then this whole area here and around all there we're gonna have those slate pavers with like probably thyme or moss growing in between it. And then I was thinking, how pretty would it be? My pants. When we're coming out, like here's the strawberry bed. I got my what was that? Is that cumin or curry? Yeah. Anyway, I think that's an annual. But I got my rose or my lavender here and my strawberries. I'll probably end up moving my lavender. Not 100% sure what I want to do with that. Or maybe I'll just take the lavender hedge this way. Have another hedge of lavender here. Or I might get a totally different variety of lavender and just make a whole new hedge like this. And then I want to plant like a willow tree or maybe a cherry willow or something right there. How pretty would that be? Coming up with it like draping down. That'd be pretty, I think. And get some better landscaping, timbers or stone to go around that. And we're gonna get a piece of decorative fencing and go in front of here, just to kind of distinguish that flower bed. I'm gonna put in some stones around this flower bed. And this one, I think maybe I'll have another. I'll either have an evergreen coming up right here or mirror the willow tree. And then, see, this is all going to be taken out, and we're going to put more blueberry bushes in. And this is all going to be taken out and have grass. So that's just kind of my thoughts about back here so far.